Hey guys, Blair with HVAC and Appliance Rebuilders. I just wanted to give you a tip on dishwashers. If you have a newer GE dishwasher, these things need updates. Circuit board was installed in the dishwasher 2 weeks ago, everything working fine. All of a sudden 2 weeks later, unresponsive, not working. All we had to go do is install our module, update the circuit board, and voila, everything's working. As a consumer, you guys can do this yourself. Download the Smart HQ app, and then that'll allow you to communicate with your dishwasher and allow you to update it yourself, and it'll save you a service call. Talk to you later.